Austin Market.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay, that's a video, not a picture.
Uh-oh.
Okay, get out of the door. Start the video now. You know where the shovel is, right?
No, Aiden, no.
Hold him, hon. I don't want him to get out. Oh my goodness.
Yep.
I don't know if we can open the door. It's... no, hon. The door can't open.
Uh-oh.
We have...
Try to open the door.
It's black with no Abby. Let Daddy. Or I will just kick it. Oh, I guess...
Basically, you move it in and out until you got enough pathway to... Either there, we gotta go out the back door or out the window.
Abby, I'm gonna push you outside. Here.
Come here, Aiden. Come here. Wait. 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 Okay.
Go, Abby. Climb up there. Climb. Climb. Just get out. Just go in the snow. You're covered anyway. Come on.
Squeeze through. Squeeze through between the door and the...
Climb up there. Come on, go faster. We gotta close the door because the wind is getting...
Here, if you let me push, I can get that door open a little more.
Okay.
As soon as I let go of this one, he wants to go there.
Give me Aiden. Stay here, Aiden. Stay. Stay there.
My shoes.
Stay there. Can you close the door first because the wind is coming in? Close the door.
Nice. You gotta have coverage. If you want to save money, do both at 1-800 save
Good.
More weight in my body, I can push a little more.
What you're about to see will change the way you look at weather. Presenting the...
I've had this problem before. I don't know if yeah, I have had it before. I think I went out the back door one time to shovel out. I
think...
can only get a crack big enough probably for you to get through there, Abby.
Yeah, just for Abby. There you go. Now you can get out, Abby.
Okay.
Come on, go.
Squeeze in around the
Squeeze
door.
Just go through the snow.
Yeah, wait
You
it.
won't...
Come on, push yourself through.
Come on.
There, can you get this leg around the door?
Yeah, come on.
Come on, go through.
That's so good.
There you go.
Okay. Get the shovel, Abby. Get the shovel. Climb up. Climb up.
Yeah.
Come here, tunog. Tunog sa snow. Lagi.
I don't want to stand in
Atras
that.
lagi. Katunog snow. Nanginti lagi ka. Nanginti kami. Tunog sa snow. Tunog. Tunog. Nuilak.
You get the
See?
snow shovel,
You're not
Abby?
supposed to get in there. Go.
What? Okay,
Tignan
just
lagi.
pick up. Just pick up on it. Pick up on the snow shovel. There you go.
Nanginti
Wiggle
ka
it,
lagi.
pick up.
Agoy.
Okay, now you're getting it. Wiggle it and pick up.
Tignaw mo. Tignaw.
Okay, there
Go
you
there.
go.
Go.
Now you
Tignaw.
got it.
Hello.
Now come back over here and start just
Hadlok na ka
shovel
lang.
off the top and then shovel off the next layer and then that's the
Go,
way to do
Cookie.
it.
Tanaw na ko si Abby. Come on. I think I need to help her. I have to get dressed, honey.
Well, hurry up then.
Okay.